Okay, disassembly line. Jinhao 992. Why cover this? Simple pen. Cover it because little design flaw. Inky water gets stuck right there between the nib collar outside and the section inside. Looks ghastly, innit? So what do? Give it to Hamish. Let him teach you how to disassemble it. Step 1. Take Wendy's napkin, put it down. Can it be another napkin? I guess. Uncap pen, uncap barrel. Post cap for easy storage, put out of the way. You're left with section and converter. Start with the converter. These converters sort of Lamy-esque in it. Now, easy, fairly easy. Little metal ring. Slides off, no problem. Put it away, careful it doesn't roll off the desk. It rolls on the cupboard, never find it back again. Completely lost. Take a bit of grippy material. Piston. Grab it. Barrel. Grab it. Pull. Ink everywhere. Splatter. Hence Wendy's napkin. Take it out, put a little bit of silicone grease on the seal. Yeah, no problem. Very easy. Put it back together. If you really want to, unscrew it all the way. Put a little bit of silicone grease there. Not really necessary, may at some point be though. Put it back in. Put there. A little bit of metal. Put it in. Converter done. The real trick. How do you get there? How do you get under there? Of course, nib and feed. Pull out. Right. First time may be a little difficult. Use a bit of grippy material. But beyond that, this is not the issue. The issue is not to pull those out, because with those out, still can't reach that. How do you get there? Put the nib and feed back in. There is a little slot cut out for the nib, so align the shoulders of the feet to the shoulders of the nib. Pinch it tightly. Gently rotate it until it fits in place. At some point it won't fit, and at some point it will fit. If it fits, you've aligned them properly. Done. But how do you get there? Very simple. Grippy material. Careful not to squish the fins of the feed, so best to hold it by the side, yeah? Careful not to pinch too hard because you don't want to pinch the shoulders of the nib too much. Hold them. Carefully unscrew the section. Boom, there you go. Take out nib, feed in their housing. Wipe them down. Take another Wendy's napkin. Roll it up. Put it in the section, clear it out, take the nib and feed, and you can do it with your bare hands now, innit? Take it up there, put the nib in the crook of your finger, put your thumb on top, screw the section back in place, don't overdo it, that's all. Now, pristine, virginal so to speak. Converter back in place, barrel, back in place, cap, back in place, pen, clean, drop, Mike. Go to Wendy's, order some haggis. Bye!